How to remove a cedar tree. There are two methods to cut down the canopy of a cedar. One if there is plenty of space and the other for areas where there are no structures, power lines or other obstructions. Removing the stump may require renting a stump grinder, depending on the size and condition of the tree roots and trunk. You should have some experience with power tools and have someone that can help. Things you'll need: chainsaw, pole saw, ladder, rope, axe, stump grinder, eye protection, earplugs, gloves, hard hat. Fell the tree by making a 45-degree hinge or wedge cut into the tree trunk with a chainsaw. Make a second release cut on the opposite side of the tree. Push the trunk from the hinge cut side toward the release cut and stand well clear, allowing it to fall onto the ground. Cut up the tree into pieces with your chainsaw and haul them away. Take the tree down in pieces where space is tight. Start by pruning the canopy. Use a pole saw to cut off all main branches, pulling the cuts from the canopy with the hook of the pole saw if needed. Have someone hold the ladder steady while you tie a rope around the trunk as high as you can. Let the end of the rope to dangle to the ground where your helper can catch it. Cut away at the top of the tree above the rope. Have your helper on the ground to pull the rope and trunk away from you as you cut and pull the trunk pieces safely to the ground. Repeat this process until you have a stump. Cut the trunk down to the ground with a chainsaw or axe and clear away the main wood debris from the area so you can begin work on removing the main root ball and larger roots. Dig down into the soil around the root ball in a circular pattern until you can get your shovel under the edge of the main root ball. Use your chainsaw or axe to cut away main roots and remove them as you dig around the stump and root ball. Continue to cut away and remove pieces of root material until you can get your shovel under the main root ball and lift it up and out. Grind down cedar tree stumps and root balls on very large or long established trees with a gas-powered stump grinder. Make even passes across the wood stump or root material to pulverize it and pull away any solid root material as it becomes loose. Eventually the root ball will be weakened and light enough to lever out of the hole. Cut it up and haul it away. Tips: warnings. Use a hard hat when working with heavy objects overhead. They can sometimes be rented along with heavy equipment or purchased for $7 to $20 at home improvement retailers. Also use eye protection, earplugs and gloves.